Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to receive a red packet fund in Alipay. The first thing you need to do is to click on your Alipay. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to your box. Then select the sender. Next thing you need to do is to click on Alipay logo. Then click on here to proceed. So you can see the red packet of 550 yuan has been successfully received into this account. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to check the balance. So right here you can see a sum of 550 yuan has been received in the form of red packet. So this is how to receive a red packet fund from your Alipay account, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also for more importation business Alipay tutorial, consider to subscribe to the channel. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pindodo or Idofish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.